Good morning, class 1. Welcome back to your English class. I hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. So, before we start, please make sure that you have all the essential items with you. That is your notebook, your English language book, your pencil, and an eraser. I hope you all have this. Okay. So now before we talk about today's chapter, let's quickly recap what we learned in the previous class. So children, we started with use of opposites. Opposites are pair of words that have different meanings. Examples: tall, salt; big, small; day, night. I hope you all remember this. Okay. So after that we learn about use of has and have. So children, has and have indicate possession in the present tense. We use have with I, you, we, they and plural words, while has is used with he, she, it and singular words. I hope this really helped you to revise previous class. So now moving ahead, today's class. Today we are going to revise chapter 14 and 15. Okay, so chapter 14's keywords are I, my, you and your. I means मैं, my means मेरा, you means तुम, your means तुम्हारा. So children, these are called pronouns I, my, you and your. These all are pronouns. So if I am asking you, what is I, my, you and your? So you will answer me that, ma'am, these are pronouns. And the pair of I is my and you is your. Okay? Okay. Children, we use I am when we talk about ourselves. जब हम अपने लिए बात करते हैं तो हम I am का यूज़ करते हैं. एंड जब हम अपनी चीज़ में पोजेशन दिखाते हैं तो उसके लिए हम my का यूज़ करते हैं. एग्जाम्पल, I am Diksha. Okay? I am a girl. My name is Diksha. And we use you are when we talk to someone else. हम you are का यूज़ जब हम किसी दूसरे से बात करते हैं तो उनके लिए करते हैं. ओके? एग्जाम्पल, you're a boy. This is your book. Okay? I hope you all are understood well. Okay. So the pair of pronoun I का पेयर क्या होगा? My and you का your. Okay? So children, now activity time. I hope you all are ready for this. Okay, let's start. Now imagine if this girl is you. अगर अब ये लड़की आप हो, है ना, ये जो पिक्चर्स आप देख रहे हो ये आप हो. So what will you Fill in the blanks. Read the sentences carefully and try to answer me. Okay, I give you some time. Okay, I really hope you got the answers. Okay, let's talk about answers. Okay, I am a girl. आप क्या हो? I am a girl. My name is Ria. What is your name? My name is Ria. This is my book. Okay? And for the boys, imagine this is you. What will you answer me? Ma'am, I am a boy. My name is Rahul. This is my mask. I hope you all use mask. Okay. Firstly, I have to say, please don't go anywhere. Stay at home and be safe. And if you have to go somewhere outside, be masked. Don't forget to wear your mask. Okay? Very good. Good. Okay. So now we will look at the picture. Okay. We can see there is a two person. One is mom and the second one is her daughter. Okay. So read the sentences carefully and answer me. What will you fill in the blanks? I really hope you all done this. Okay. Now let's check the answer. You are my daughter. Mom is saying to her daughter, you are my daughter. Your name is Priya. I told you na, when we talk to someone else, we use you and your. So you are my daughter. Your name is Priya. This is your bag. Got this? Very good. So, you're my son. I'm your mother. आई होप आप सबको समझ में आ रहा है. आ रहा है तो सब लोग तेज से बोलो यस मैम. यस, वेरी गुड. So now practice time. Let's start practice now. Open page number 38, chapter 14. Now read with me. Okay. I am Babu. I have a bag. This is my bag. देखिए ये what is name? I am a Babu. I have a bag. This is my bag. And look at the second picture. Here a man is indicating to a boy and saying, you are Peter. You have a brush. This is your brush. ये तुम्हारा ब्रश है. Your name is Peter. तुम्हारा नाम पीटर है. And this is your brush. Okay, come to the next. I am Vivek. Vivek is saying, I am Vivek. I have a boat. Remember use of has and have? We learn about we use have with I, we, you, they, and with plural. So I have a boat. This is my boat. Come to the next. You are Deepa. तुम दीपा हो. You have a book. तुम्हारे पास बुक है. This is your book. और ये तुम्हारी बुक है. Got it? I really hope you all enjoying this. Okay, now we are going to revise chapter 15. Keywords. He means वह. His means उसका. As we learn about I, my. So similarly we use he. He means वह and the possession of he is his. She means वह. Her means उसकी. So the possession of she is her. These all are also pronouns. Okay? These all are pronouns. Very good. So children, he indicate male. We use he for male, for boy. Okay. So his is a possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. It is used to show something belonging to boy, man, or male person. We use he with male and his with the possession of male or man, boy. Okay. He's a boy. Example, he's a boy. This is his car. है ना. वह एक लड़का है. यह उसकी कार है. Okay. And children, she indicates female. We use she with females. हम she का use females के लिए करते हैं. Like girl, woman, daughter, sister, mother. Okay, we use she with them. Okay. And the possessive pronoun of she is her. It is used to show something belonging to girl, woman, or female person. I hope you really understood very well. Okay, now move ahead. Activity time. So look at the picture and answer. Who is she? What she has? Okay, I really hope you got the answer. So, she is Sivika. वह क्या है? वो सिविका है. She has a bicycle. उसके पास क्या है? उसके पास एक साइकिल है. This is her bicycle. और ये उसकी साइकिल है. Yes, I hope you all are enjoying. Yes. So, next. Look at the picture. There is a boy and we use he with boy. Remember? Yes. We use he with boy and the possessive pronoun of he is his. So the answer is he is a Krishna. वह कृष्णा है. He has a guitar. उसके पास गिटार है. This is his guitar. Very good. I really hope you all understood very well. Okay, now open page number 39. Chapter 15. Use of he, his and she, her. So, now read with me. He is Deepak. He has a bat. This is his bat. वह दीपक है. उसके पास बैट है और ये उसका बैट है. She is Rita. She has a boat. This is her boat. I hope you all are understood. Okay, now read the chapter by yourself and okay. So this is your bonus question of the day. Okay, so the bonus question is select the correct pair of pronoun in the given options. So I gave you some option in online exam and you have to answer the question correctly. Okay, if you watch the video carefully, you will answer correctly. So watch the video carefully, do practice. Okay. Okay, so now today's work. Please note down the work in your notebook. Use of I, my, and you, your. So children, while writing in your notebook, please make sure you using your pencil and do it in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay. So today's planner work. Do today's work in your notebook. Study page number 38 and 39 and get your parents' signature. Okay, don't forget to take your parents' signature. Okay. And be masks, be safe, stay at your home. Thank you.